Okay, so I had to cut those straight. Oh yes, a spelling bee. So my phone takes a little bit of tumble, but it's okay now. It's just okay. My phone just takes a bit of tumble, but it's okay now.
It did take a tumble, but it's has to be.
Because I don't want to put it in there anymore.
Didn't break it. Just
Nah. Yes. I don't want to put this.
They're not talking. How long was the period from when they were
But I
off
won't
to
do it.
now?
INTRANSIGACE.
You fool! It's E-N-C-E.
Oh my god.
I know some people would have actually used the time.
It's all.
Now you lose everything.
Lisa,
And I
you
go back
get
to whatever it is
nothing.
I do.
You lose. Good day, sir.
At the end of the day, you take the sick, just forget that. Start.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you're the number one speller in this car, or in that car, or in that car.
Every time, it's like, oh, but every time, meet your Google Assistant.
My one chance for everyone to
They show Google Assistants on the telly. If I press continue, I'll ask Google Assistant. No, it's just talking.
Like you're at the end of the A level, you might drop off.
Yeah, you just mess up with the spelling. I'm doing like a
You might say,
like Willy Wonka catch you get nothing. Good day, sir. That's what I do in the reference to Mr. Simpson.
We've got another
well, that's
surprise
the
for
mayor.
you.
That's like.
Like a Roomba. Oh,
It's the mayor's
that's
bed.
amazing.
Oh, it's the mayor.
And the mayor of London is to do the coming.
Oh, yeah.
So that mayor's,
Who's going to be our next president?
mayor's another coming.
Biden, was it? Biden. Who's going to win? Who's going to do it? Biden? Kanye? I think it's going to have Kanye in it. I'm not sure about that. Kim Kardashian. He wants to be a president, doesn't it? Kanye West. Kanye West.
Some live mind controls coming your way 9 p.m. tonight as Channel 4 celebrates 20 years of Darren Brown
No, it's
and
not
some
YouTuber.
jaw-dropping
It's
stunts.
just a musician
And whatever
and
you do,
rapper.
Ed,
And
do
like
not
some
go
kind
to
of
Hollywood.
music
The
career.
cake's no good in more Simpsons. Next.
Damn, no, you're the dummy.
There's a music career.
6 lines.
Theoretical.
San Diego is right across the border from my favorite city on earth, Tijuana.
Who is this guy? He's Leather Burton or something like that as well. Okay, Sheldon is insulted with the special guest. Just take chilling down right now.
So Bo Bridges is on my shoulders, and Jeff Bridges is on Marlon Brando's shoulders. And remember, we do not have permission to be in the people. Hey, Sheldon, wake up! And Angie Dickinson is about to stick the dog on us, and I go under the water, and Marlon goes under the water, and the water raises about 2 feet and flushed all over a patio, and the dogs freak out and run like hell. Then we run like hell. Oh, boy, that was a lot of fun.
Not to release the
Who's Angie Dickinson?
What do you mean he snored? Say again. Say, did you say?
No, it's absolutely
Did you
right.
say snore or saw snore?
You think of it
How did you say? Did you say snore?
Gypsy wagons, pony cars.
School. It's school, not snore. You went to snore. He went to school, snore.
Here, have
He
some
went to school, not school to snore.
Proudly sponsors the Big Bang Theory.
You're going to put that ball in the basket.
I thought you said snore. It's a primary snore. It's secondary snore.
Five volunteers.
Oh God!
Immunity.
I never expect that.
21 days with Michael
So
Wilson.
great. And
Wednesdays
then
at 9
secondary
on
snore.
Channel 4. Stream the series so far.
Oh God!
I'm looking for someone to share.
Oh my God!
No.
You used to go back to school or school to go to school.
We have come to the club.
Oh my God! I can't breathe. I can't breathe around you. I can't breathe.
Found something in the goblin tunnels. What do you do first?
Morgan Freeman. Where whole, when you enter the thing, you disappear. You'll disappear. You'll physical.
The first two chapters of the Hobbit saga.
My name is Bilbo Baggins.
The Hobbit.
Starting
What's
with
the
the
Hobbit?
Hobbit's unexpected journey.
Unexpected journey.
On Song 4.
Oh, maybe I think I've seen it.
Have you seen the Hobbit, George?
Yeah, I think I've seen the Hobbit. It's
Problem in their area. And when the school holidays beckon, they can be sure to
town.
see the number of calls relating to youths running wild
It's a small
skyrocket.
place.
But as we're about to
The
find
manager who runs it said, we could socially distance here
Mr.
in
President?
seconds. Because
You can call me Devlin.
lost crowds.
Oh,
But
George
we can't do
Clooney.
it.
I'm
George
feeling
Clooney.
ready to be on
Spy
set.
Kids
Well, I
movie.
was running the...
But they
It's
all go in the
called
pub.
Spy Kids Bring the Game Over.
Everyone knew it. I wanted the world to know that I was in charge, so I became president of the United States. It all depends upon your preference. Perception works for me.
Well, I'm into reality. The reality is, nothing you can say will make you rejoin the OSS.
Let's go up here.
That is what you call it, isn't it?
The OSS needs
Hey,
you.
George Clooney.
I'm retired.
There's a
But
good
who's
article
living
in
in
the Guardian
perception
now.
now?
Paul Nurse,
Fact is, there is no retirement. Once
That's
an
why
age
George
is
Clooney
over,
was so
it's
young.
time to be a big boy
He's
in the
so
United
young today, isn't it?
Respect, sir.
He was so really young today.
Well, then hold on to your seat, because here's the
Oh, yeah,
reality.
I know the one you mean, yeah,
Your
yeah.
sister's
good article. He
missing.
was saying that the problem is, he said,
Let's just do quietly.
so we sort of we followed the science. Just to
That's right,
this
yeah, yeah.
Follow the-
nonsense phrase.
Okay, follow the science.
Almost
He's not-
Follow the
yeah,
science.
and it means there's never any proper discussion.
No,
Nicely
that's right.
judged.
What the hell I just pressed? On now, program's recording. Can I record? Oh no, no. On now. I'm gonna press on now. Meet your Google Assistant. Continue. No?
Yeah.
What the hell did I just press? I just think I just messed up the thing because I said Google Assistant.
Oh, yeah, you can talk to that.
This time will take